Good morning, children. Today, let us start criteria for similarity of two triangles. The first criteria is angle, angle, angle similarity. In short form, we call it as AA similarity. If in two triangles, the corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional and hence the two triangles are similar. Here, see the triangle ABC and triangle DEF. A and D are the corresponding angles, B and E are the corresponding angles, and C and F are the corresponding angles. When the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, then their corresponding sides are proportional. It means if angle A is equal to D, angle B is equal to E, and C is equal to F, then AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So, in triangle ABC and DEF, and triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A is equal to angle D, if angle A is equal to angle D, and angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to F, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity. So, if the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are similar, and this rule is called AAA similarity. The second criteria is AA similarity. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to the two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. See the figure. Here in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, the corresponding angles, angle A and D are equal and angle B and E are equal. So when the two corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A is equal to D, and angle B is equal to E, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA similarity. So, when the two corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar by AA similarity. Next, the third criteria is SSS similarity. If in two triangles the corresponding sides are proportional, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. See the figure. Here in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB and DE are the corresponding sides, BC and EF are the corresponding sides, and AC and DF are the corresponding sides. If the corresponding sides are proportional, it means if AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF, then the corresponding angles, angle A is equal to angle D, and angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. So, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SSS similarity. So, when the three corresponding sides of the two triangles are proportional, then the corresponding angles are equal, then the two triangles are said to be similar by SSS similarity. The fourth criteria, SAS similarity. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. See the figure here. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A and D are equal. AB and AC are the two sides including the angle A. DE and DF are the two sides including the angle D. So, in two triangles, if the two corresponding angles are equal and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So, in triangle ABC and DEF, triangle DEF, if angle A is equal to D, and AB by DE, AB and DE are the corresponding sides, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Then the two triangles are, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by SAS similarity. So, in two triangles, if the two corresponding angles are equal and the sides including these equal angles are proportional, then the two triangles are said to be similar. Now, let us start that exercise 2. First problem. In the given figure, find angle MLN. In triangle ABC and triangle MLN, the three sides are given. First, we have to check whether the corresponding sides are proportional. If the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC and triangle MLN are proportional, then the triangle ABC is similar to triangle MLN. If the triangle ABC is similar to triangle MLN, then the corresponding angles are equal. Now, take the ratio of AB and ML. AB by ML. AB is 4.4 centimeter and ML is 11. Remove the decimal point, then 44 by 110. Divide 44 and 110. 22 2s are 44, 22 5s are 110. So 44 by 110 is equal to 2 by 5. Next, take the ratio of AC and LN. AC by LN. AC is 3.6 centimeter and LN is 9. So remove the decimal, 36 by 90. 18 2s are 36, 18 5s are 90. So 36 by 90 is equal to 2 by 5. Then take the ratio of BC and MN. BC by MN. BC is equal to 4 centimeter. MN is equal to 10. 2 2s are 2 5s are. So 4 by 10 is equal to 2 by 5. Now see the ratio of AB by ML, AC by LN and BC by MN. All the ratios are equal. So the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC and MLN are proportional. It means the triangle ABC is similar to triangle MLN by SSS similarity. So when the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. Here BC and MN are the corresponding sides. So the angles opposite to BC and the MN are the corresponding angles. Therefore, angle MLN is equal to angle BAC. So in triangle ABC, angle B and angle C are given. So angle BAC is equal to 180 degree minus 70 plus 50 degree. So 180 minus 70 plus 50 is 120 degree. So 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Therefore, angle MLN is equal to 60 degree. Next problem. In the given figure, angle CED is equal to angle CAB. Show that angle CED is similar to triangle CAB. Also, find the value of x. Now, consider the triangle CED and CAB. In triangle CED and CAB, angle CED is equal to angle CAB. Given angle CED is equal to angle CAB. And angle C is common for both the triangle CED and CAB. Angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. So, in triangle CED and triangle CAB, two angles are equal. Therefore, triangle CED is similar to triangle CAB by AA similarity. So, when the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Here see the figure. The side opposite to that angle C are DE and AB. So, DE and AB are the corresponding sides, and the sides opposite to angle CED is CD and angle CAB is BC. So, DC and the BC are the corresponding sides. Therefore, DE by AB is equal to DC by BC. DE is x centimeter and AB is 9 centimeter and DC is 8 and BC is 10 plus 2, 12 centimeter. Next, take the cross multiplication. X is equal to 9 into 8 by 12. 4 2s are 4 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Therefore, x is equal to 6 centimeter. Next problem. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, AB equals 4 centimeter, DE equals 6 centimeter, EF equals 9 centimeter and FD equals 12 centimeter, find the perimeter of triangle ABC. When the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their perimeters is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, therefore the perimeter of the triangle ABC by perimeter of the triangle DEF is equal to AB by DE. Next, perimeter of the triangle ABC by perimeter of the triangle DEF. We can write perimeter as DE plus EF plus FD is equal to AB by DE. Next, perimeter of the triangle ABC by DE. DE is equal to 6 centimeter, EF is equal to 9 centimeter and FD is equal to 12 centimeter equals AB is 4 and DE is 6 centimeter. Next, perimeter of the triangle ABC by 6 plus 9 plus 12 is 27 equals 4 by 6. Next, take the cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So, 2 9s are 18 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 18 centimeter. Next problem. A boy of height 120 centimeter is walking away from the base of a lamp post at a speed of 87 meter per minute. If the lamp post is 36 meter above the ground, find the length of the shadow after 3 minutes. Let AB is equal to the lamp post and CD is the height of the boy and DE is equal to boy's shadow after 3 minutes. Let the length of DE be x meter. Then BD is the distance moved by the boy in 3 minutes. You know the distance is equal to the speed into time. Therefore, BD is equal to the speed is 87 meter per minute and the time is 3 minutes. 87 into 3 is 261 meter. The distance is equal to the speed into time. So, the distance is 261 meter. Now, consider the triangle ABE and triangle CDE. Now, in triangle ABE and triangle CDE, angle B is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D, 90 degree, and angle E is common for both the triangles. Angle E is equal to angle E, common angles. So, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE by AA similarity. So, you know, when the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So, AB by CD is equal to BE by DE. Next, AB is 36 centimeter and CD is 1.2 meter and BE is BD plus DE. BD is 261 and DE we considered as X. Then DE is equal to X. Then take the cross multiplication. Next, remove the decimal point. Then 360 by 12 is equal to 261 plus X by X. So divide 360 by 12. It divides 30 times. So 30 by 1 is equal to 261 plus X by X. Take cross multiplication. 30x is equal to 261 plus X. Next, take X to left hand side. 30x minus X is equal to 261. 30x minus X is 29x equals 261. So, X is equal to 261 by 29. Divide 261 by 29. It divides 9 times. Therefore, X is equal to 9 meter. Next problem. In figure, ABD is a triangle in which angle DAB equals 90 degree and AC perpendicular to BD. Prove that AB square is equal to BC into BD. Now, consider the triangle ABD and ABC. Here, in triangle ABD, angle DAB is 90 degree and in triangle ABC, angle ACB is 90 degree. So, angle DAB is equal to angle ACB. Angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. And say the angle B is common for the triangle ADB and for the triangle ABC. angle B is equal to angle B, common angle. So, in the two triangle ABD and ABC, the two angles are equal. So, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. When the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Now see the figure. Here, the sides opposite to the equal angles are the corresponding sides. You know, the sides opposite to the equal angles are the corresponding sides. Here, the side opposite to the right angle DAB is BD, and the side opposite to the right angle ACB is AB. So, you know, the sides opposite to the equal angles are the corresponding angles. Here, the side opposite to the right angle DAB is BD, and the side opposite to the right angle ACB is AB. So, BD by AB are the corresponding sides, and then the angle B is common for both the triangles, and the remaining equal angles are ADB and CAB. So, the side opposite to the angle ADB is AB, and the side opposite to the angle CAB is BC. So, AB and BC are the corresponding sides. Next, take the cross multiplication. AB into AB is AB square is equal to BC into BD.